Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn your Photopea full screen in one very simple click on the screen actually. So if you are too tired of basically having this UI of Google Chrome running for you and you want really the feeling of like working in an app, it's very easy in Photopea. On the top side of your screen, next to zoom, is this little square. And it means full screen. So once you click on full screen, you'll be able to get to full screen option where you can operate. I'm not using it at the moment because I love to hide those ads that are only for paid subscriptors. So I'm just using it just like borderless window, let's say. So I don't have the ads in there. But once you run full screen, you have to be premium user or yeah, you can't really hide them at all. And I would really love to like sacrifice like 2 or 3 centimeters from top of my screen, then actually this is way more than 3 centimeters. So yeah, that's about it guys. If you're a paid subscriber to Photopea, you can do that. I'm just trying to show you all the tricks without you paying a penny. So that's actually a very useful trick that I'm using. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.